Lucky. Hi, Minnie. Hi. Oh, hi, Lucky. You have... Oh, God. Lucky. Lucky. Oh, Minnie. Lucky. Oh, shoot. Lucky. You're such a cute dog. Oh, you got my sweatshirt on, Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Hi, Minnie. So you see the dog at the fence? Where's the dog? Come on. Let's go get the dog. Bark. Woof. Woof. Woof, woof. Who kicked me in the butt? Who kicked me in the butt? Come on, Minnie. Let's go. 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 Oh, shoot. I almost fell. Hey. 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 Hey, Lucky. 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 Look. That was the dog? Where's the dog? Let's go get the dog. Where's Moochie? Lucky, where's Moochie? Minnie, where's your brother? Where'd your brother go? He leave without you? Where's your other brother? Where's Moochie? I wish you were mine. But since you're not mine, we have to watch you. Because your mommy's not here. Lucky, you're mine. This is my dog, Lucky, and those are my aunt's dog. We live in a house with my papa. The dogs. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Lucky, look at the camera. I want to see your mad face. Minnie, you're the cute one. No, I'm just kidding. Lucky's mine. And then where's Moochie? He's inside. He's the small one. He can't go out here because I don't think he can even walk up the steps. He's so small. Yeah, and he's freezing. He has a mini sweater. Let's go inside and see him. Come on, let's go inside. Lucky. Come on, inside. I will go inside. Moochie, little doggy. Hi, Moochie. Oh, you want to smell it? Look at the camera. Oh, yeah, you're such a cute doggy. Look at your little sweater. You're a good boy. You know, his breath stinks bad. He's cute, but his breath smells really bad. Okay, you can relax in your sleep again. Like you were. Wasn't me. Lucky, we're gonna go outside.
So we need to move this to the den. Everybody.
Oh my God, come on. Go. Oh, you're done running? Okay. Come on, get on my lap. Come on. Lucky, come on. This is a new thing. You've never seen a camera before. I wonder why, because I'm always with you and never on my phone. But since I can actually turn on my phone again, because I wasn't able to turn on my phone for 2 years. Yeah. Now I got a new phone, and now I can actually turn it on. I just got this phone 2 days ago. No, 2 months ago. I got it the day before Christmas, actually. I don't know when that is. I do not know when that is. I'm 9. Lucky. Why are you sad? Why? I know when you're sad. You're sad right now. Why? Why is that? Why? Look at Kim. You're sad that I'm not spending time with you? Yes? Yeah? You gonna say anything? You gonna talk? There's a dog over there. There's a dog over there. There's a dog over there. The dog's not over there. The dog's over here. Lucky, dog's over here. So is the cat. Dog's over here. And so is the skunk. Come on. It's over here. Under here. It's under there. And it's over here. Dogs aren't coming, so I'm just going to show you guys. And it's in here. The dogs are there. Ooh. Or it's Riker and Ryder. Because that's our neighbor's house. What's over there? Who's over there? Dogs aren't over there. I don't know if there's dogs over there. I don't know. I've never been over there, but I've been over there. They come to our house. People in that house come to our house. And then people across our street. We live in El Cajon. We live in El Cajon. El Cajon. Yeah, somewhere in El Cajon. We live near Bill Beck Park. Is where I live. And my doggies. You guys are gonna hurt yourself. Tell me you saw that. Oh God, you better saw that. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video so I can see if you guys saw that. I'm sorry if you didn't. They jumped on each other, up in the air on the fence, and they got caught. And then they started screaming, and then they fell. Just seeing if you saw that. Bye.